Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Khurpeto Dori, which is a decorative fabric cord, using an easy method. This technique is perfect for adding a professional touch to your sewing projects, whether it's for garments or home decor. We'll cover everything from preparing your fabric to the final turning of the cord. Get ready to create beautiful, custom Dori with confidence and ease. The key to a good Dori is cutting your fabric on the bias. This diagonal cut gives the fabric the necessary stretch, allowing your Dori to turn smoothly and lie flat without puckering. For most projects, a strip width of about 1.5 inches works well. This provides enough material to work with while keeping the finished cord thin and elegant. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more creative tutorials. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic read. You can find a link to the book and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your fabric strip is ready, fold it lengthwise with the right sides facing each other. Then, using your sewing machine, stitch a straight line about 1/4 inch from the folded edge. After stitching, trim any excess fabric close to your seam. Now, for the magic. Use a large needle and thread to carefully turn the Dori right side out, revealing your perfect cord.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.